This is a story about pizza. Not just any pizza, probably the best pizza that I've ever had. I told my friend Jeremy I was going to Hawaii. He said, "Man, you've got to hike the Napali Coast Trail, bring pizza dough and toppings, and at the end of the 11-mile hike, a man in the jungle will cook you the best pizza you've ever had." I googled Napali Coast hike. It's the top 10 most dangerous hikes in North America. We went online and booked our flights. I grabbed my passport, packed my hammock, guitar, flash shirt, shoes, and a bathing suit. Got in the car, drove to Vancouver, and hopped on the plane. We made it to Hawaii and checked out the beach, grabbed our pizza materials, and then began our 9-hour hike. Up and down, through the mud, across streams, over bridges, under waterfalls. We found the sourest lemons on the planet, took millennial photos on the edge of cliffs, and with each turn around a ridge, we'd hope we'd get our first sight of the beach that we were camping at, but 6 hours in, and still no luck. We walked along the side of Crawler's Ledge, through the fields. Mile number 9, almost at the beach. There should be pizza waiting for us, just over this ridge. Finally, with the sun setting, 9 hours later, we made it to our camp. The next morning, over KAUAI coffee, we met a family. They said they knew the locals and were headed to a pizza party up the valley. They didn't usually take tourists up, but since we had pizza toppings, we were invited. Up the valley we went. They showed us secret gardens, epic bananas, passion fruits with rum, and toured us throughout the whole valley. By nighttime, we had finally made it to our pizza party, and we found the legendary man. 1 plane ride, 5 hours driving, 9 hours hiking, and we had finally made it. The pizza was finally served. And I'll be honest, it was pretty average. But the hike was kind of fun.